Hi, I'm Dr. Ruhian, a podiatrist practicing in Orange County for the past 12 years. We provide care for children as well as adults. Our offices are located in 2 cities, Laguna Woods and Irvine. We have provided exceptional care for most of our patients for the past 12 years.
Leading the field in podiatric care, Dr. Ruhian uses the latest in laser technology to provide painless and efficient treatment to a number of medical foot problems, including heel and arch pain, fungal or ingrown toenails, neuropathy, bunions, hammer toes, foot and ankle ulcers, sport injuries, and knee or lower back pain as a result of flat feet. With a staff devoted to providing a friendly and professional environment, you can experience the best foot care treatment that Southern California has to offer. If you would like to make an appointment, feel free to call Dr. Ruhian at 949-588-8833 or log on to www.ocfootdoctor.com.